Today I'm going to teach my husband how to make pineapple sriracha fish tacos on the Blackstone. He just doesn't know it yet. Come on! He thought he was going to sit down there. You want to cook with me?
Sure.
Okay. He doesn't have a choice. All right. We're going to preheat the Blackstone to medium-low. So I always like to do seafood on medium-low. All right, so I have 4 pieces of catfish. You could use tilapia or whatever kind of fish that you like. And hey.
Let's try that again.
Yeah. Pat it dry with paper towels. It's going to help the texture and it's going to help it crisp up. So we can use this fork. We have to go wash our hands.
Go wash our hands.
A little salt and a little pepper. Not a whole lot of salt because we're going to do both sides and they're pretty thin.
Felt like yay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aren't I just full of helpful hints? He literally came home from work and I was like, do you want to do a cooking video with me? Blackstone pineapple sriracha seasoning. Oh yeah, we need the fork. And just a little bit. And just a little bit of this. This is a little sweet and a little spicy. Kind of like me. Okay, now you have to hold it up and go like this. Now this should be preheated. Now you do it. And the fish will take just about 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to flip them a few times.
My turn.
Your turn. We're going to make some slaw and a sauce to go with it. So I have about a half a cup of mayonnaise, but you could also use sour cream. You want to add a little bit of the pineapple sriracha seasoning, and I will squeeze some lime.
Oh, you want me to do this?
Uh,
How much is a little bit?
however much you think. Ooh, it looks good.
It's like an aioli.
It is aioli. Aioli just means like jazzed up mayo. It's just a fancy word for it. I have a little bit of diced pineapple, and then I just used like the salad kit from the store. I just used about half of it, and then maybe just put like a spoonful in.
Yeah.
And we'll kind of mix it and just see if it needs more. But then we're going to put the rest of that like actually on the fish tacos with the slaw. You want to mix it?
Trust me with this?
Yeah?
Not so much.
You can't mess it up. I got flour tortillas just because that's what my family likes. You can use corn tortillas if you like. But we're going to throw those on just during the last few seconds. I'm going to make mine with sauce and slaw. I know you want the sauce, but do you want the slaw?
You can do sauce. I don't want the sauce. I can do sauce.
I have cilantro for you. He doesn't like cabbage. All right, so you can add cilantro to yours. I'm going to do the pineapple slaw that we made. And some pickled red onions. I know how you feel about those too. But I have cotija cheese.
I'll do that.
Okay. All right.
I like the way it looks. Okay.
All right, we're going to taste test. Cheers. You get the sweet from the pineapple and the spicy from the sriracha.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the hit.
And the fish is really good. Okay, you did a good job.
Yeah.